Thank you for such a warm introduction. I'm not going to speak about space. Luckily, we have startups for that. I'm just going to give a little intro that normally space sounds something super scary. For us, it doesn't, because space is not everything that goes up. Space is also something that comes down. For example, every taxi driver is using GPS, right? That's the satellite data. For us, it's space. So in Tartu Science Park and at our friend's place in Technopol, we really like startups and we really like space. So for bringing those two things together, we are running ESA BIC Space Incubation Center in Tartu and in Tallinn. We have onboarded successfully 15 space startups already, and we have only 5 more places free for the next ones. So the next round of evaluation board is actually going to be in the end of October. Don't be afraid of space. And with that slogan, I'm going to bring the first startup, which is PowerUp Fuel Cells, on the stage. And let's listen what they have to say. Thanks.
Okay. Excellent. Hi, my name is Maiko, and I'm the head of marketing at PowerUp. If you think about sailing, this is what you probably imagine. Sun is shining, waves are splashing, and you're having tons of fun. Reality can be very different, because sailors use diesel generators to have electricity. These tend to corrode and fail in the middle of the sea, and this can put your life or your boat at risk. There's also batteries, which are too heavy for most maritime applications. There's solar panels and wind turbines, which have proven unreliable for maritime applications. And this is why PowerUp has developed the UP400. It's a hydrogen fuel cell-based electric generator. It weighs only 10 kilos, doesn't need maintenance, and operates silently. With 400 watts, you can basically charge everything you need on your boat. The best part, it's 100% sustainable energy. Today, we already have a wide network of distributors covering the US and different countries in Europe. And of course, we are not only limited to the maritime industry. We have clients coming in from electric vehicle segment, camper vans, military, and there's a good fit for this product to telecommunication towers. And this is why we want to come out with 2 or 3 more products this year. And our scale-up plan is to develop a 15 kilowatt product for reefer and medical container segment, which is a huge industry, and this is where the money is actually. And taking this into consideration, we estimate to have roughly 160 million euro revenue by 2026. Now you may ask, where do I get hydrogen? Hydrogen network is widely available by most industrial gas companies. And in Estonia, for example, you can buy hydrogen from the Linde Group or Messer. What's unique about us is our special foam composition and different development works that have already been patented or will be patented. All of this is possible thanks to our amazing team with a diverse set of skills, and thanks to our advisory board that includes the former vice president of Apple and a Nobel Prize nominee. Today, we're looking for 450,000 euros, which is going to be matched with equal amount of soft money. And this is going to go towards marketing campaigns, sales, and product certification. I'm Maiko from PowerUp. Thank you.
Thank you. If you leave your home, what do you have with you? You have your phone, you have your keys, and the next guys, they always have their drone with them. So here, welcome to the stage, Skycorp.
Hello, everybody. Building a drone is easy. It's a child's play, isn't it? I can show you. It is. It's unmanned aerial vehicle. And I have some spares do-it-yourself home kits, like, come on and ask me afterwards. So, here we are. Battery-powered drones are limited by the energy amount that the batteries contain. You just can't fly, you can't do like difficult aerial challenge, like difficult aerial jobs with just 20 minutes of airtime. Here we come in with our hydrogen drone, offering 3 times as long flight endurance and then fast refueling also. We built our e-drone Zero in 2018. 2019, we already sold our first drone. Our clients are companies who provide hardware as a service, smart cities or ports, or anybody who's looking to conduct their 1,500 euro services with 50 times cheaper. We provide the tools with a relatively low cost, introducing the circular economy for drones. Our market is expected to boom in 2025 when it will reach 38 billion euros annually. And we built the first drone in 2018 to 2019. We won the first tender in Estonia, completed it in 2020, and here we are. During the time, we have been the whole time profitable. We have detailed plans for upcoming years. Let's just say Port of Antwerp can't wait for us. He would like to have us there tomorrow, but we're in a little need of assistance. Our team consists of agile people who are experts in robotics, in space, and other fields. So right now we are raising 500,000 euros to achieve our main goals in upcoming years, to scale up the production of the drones and to kick off our circular economy for drones. Thank you for your attention. My name is Toomas Meidla and this is Skycorp.
Thank you. The next startup will tell you something about the thing that none of us likes, and those are forest fires. So Krattworks is here to solve the problems.
Hello. Hello. My name is Mattias, and I'm the founder of Krattworks. We are building a system to combat forest fires. Forest fires cause 15% of global CO2 emissions. They cause 300,000 deaths every year, and the cost of lost property is $91 billion every year. And the way our story goes is kind of like the last presentation. We see that current drones have a lot of limitations. One of them is that they are short in range. Another is that they need human input to go through all the video and photos collected. And it's not so easy to share the collected data. And what we are doing to solve this is that we are adding machine vision and 4G mobile cellular connectivity on top of the drones, so that the drone autopilot is connected to mobile networks and can use machine vision on board. This means that we have unlimited range. We can use systems where one pilot controls multiple drones or hands over the control of a drone to another pilot. We can use machine vision to automatically detect objects of interest. And we can share this data instantly to a server where we can integrate it with other data sources. For firefighting, we take the fire line from the drones. We look at altitude modules from other maps. We look at forest type. We look at wind speed and direction. And we can do predictions where the fire will spread after 4, 8, or 12 hours. And our market is, in our core markets, there are 50,000 fire departments. If we sell to 4% of them 5 of our entry-level units, we reach 50 million in turnover of hardware, and we would like to add 24 million as a software as a service. And we see that our system is not only useful in firefighting, but also in many other applications like landscape mapping, infrastructure monitoring, and security. Sorry. And I am here because Krattworks is now officially fundraising. So if I manage to spark interest, please do let us know. And I thank you for your attention.
Thank you. And next, as we still have a little bit summer, we are going to go underwater. And next one to pitch on the stage is Unsinkable Robotics.
Hello, I'm Timo from Unsinkable Robotics, and we are building underwater inspection robots. Infrastructure can't be allowed to fail. Be that a bridge, a dam, or a future Tallinn-Helsinki tunnel. You wouldn't want to be on it when it collapses. Luckily, there are several solutions available to prevent such things from happening. The most efficient solution is to perform regular inspections so we can get alert when cracks are showing up. Unsinkable is using underwater robots to perform the inspection service because they are faster, they're 30% cheaper, and more precise than human beings could ever be, thanks to their sensors that can even see in dark and muddy waters. With the regular inspections, we are able to implement fault prediction algorithms so we can detect cracks even before they become visible. And this leads up to savings on maintenance up to 25%. Currently, the work is being done by either divers or tethered robots. Using humans is increasingly expensive, and this job is quite dangerous. And tethered robots are like old cars. They always require an operator to function. Also, the tethered robots tend to gather lots of junk data, so rescans are a necessity. Unsinkable is focused on building the robot as autonomous as possible. It has all the necessary hardware, and with software updates, it becomes more and more autonomous. Thanks to being connected wirelessly over mobile network, we can render the scanned objects in real time. This results in possibility to do the rescan immediately if we detect that the data was crap. So we don't have to go back and forth to the site. Our beachhead market for the service is Northern European market, where we target usually ports, then wind farms and other marine infrastructure managers. We approach them via tenders, offer free initial scannings to the ports, and do high discounts to really high-value customers so we can use them as reference. Currently, we are in a first phase where we establish the inspection service and validate the market and get feedback to the robot. In the second stage, in 3 to 4 years, we will sell the inspection service part of the company and reinvest it into becoming a technology provider. To make it all happen, Unsinkable has an amazing team of 5 founders with a diverse skill set. Our goal is to conquer the horizon, literally. Thank you.
Thank you. You see, space is actually not so scary as it sounds, and it's not only something in the movies. So with that, I would like to say thank you from my side and invite you to all who have a little bit even space-related startup idea to apply to ESA BIC Space Incubation. You can find more information on esabic.ee and definitely do it before October. Thanks.